very warm welcome. I'm just about to record for you a short summary recap of our Improvers Solo Slow Foxtrot practice routine number 7. This was taught in the online class on the 6th of March 2023. So if you're in my video library and you want the full 1 hour class, which includes the jive section as well, that's where you're headed. So let me make a little start. There's a lot of rotation in this, so you may need to adjust that whilst you're watching me on the video, and do be careful of the obstacles around you as we're rotating. Also, artistic license. This is for solo dancing in the living room, a little bit of fun and to improve our ballroom skills. This is not true footwork that we would necessarily be dancing with the partners, before anyone puts comments there and says not the correct footwork, okay? This is for fun. So, I started with a little natural spin action. Back, open, settle. I then went forwards on the right foot and a little chassé to the side, bringing myself back to face the front. I used 4 quick steps. I'll go through the full timing in a minute, but I used 4 full steps to turn around. Right, left, left. I then went on a back heel turn, exit, and 4 steps to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, and position myself facing the right wall. Let me do those again with the count. So I did slow, quick, quick, slow, quick and quick, 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 slow, quick, 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 quick. Section 1. Section 2, roughly facing my right hand wall, I did the equivalent of a back feather step, slow, quick, quick. I did a 3-step turn, slow, quick, quick. I did a corner check, slow, quick, quick, and an 8 count on quick steps with a little grapevine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do section 2 again. Slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, 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 quick. Let's do it all from the very beginning. Final time with my count. 5, 6, 7, and slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick and quick. Quick, 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 slow. Quick, 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 slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, 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 quick. There we go, guys. Very short routine. Improvers Solo Slow Foxtrot practice routine number 7. Everything's in my website, on the video library, and if you're watching this in YouTube, please don't forget to like and subscribe, help me grow the channel, and thank you so much for those of you already on my website supporting me, and I will see you again very, very soon. Bye.